The third part of WaterChem profit is investment analysis. This function quantifies the time required for an investment to be paid off and contains detailed economic metrics in the background that account for crop rotations, volatile markets, water use, grain yield, and investment costs. Assessments of alternative rotation sequence can be used to estimate the economic performance of an investment over time. Statistical Monte Carlo methods describe the likely range of the estimate. We are at the first page scenarios. As before, we can add a new scenario, copy an existing scenario, and delete a scenario. Scenario has a setting page for user to set details. We press the row of a scenario to jump to the next page, crops. Here we also can add a crop, copy a crop and delete a crop. Also, we can tap the edit button to go into edit page, change the data for the crop. We can change the order of the crop list to specify the rotation sequencing. We need to tap and hold one row of a crop to drag it up or down, lifting our finger and put the crop in place. Now we press calculation and go to calculation page, which calculates a table of crop return data in upcoming years. Negative returns are shown in red. Also we can scroll up and down, left and right to check the full table. We can change to other scenario and compare the data. Then we go to the final page compare. At this page, we have a box plots chart. Each box plot represents a scenario. We can choose the scenarios we want to compare in the chart and uncheck the one we don't need. Fewer scenarios will give a bigger image in the chart. Here we have a legend of box plot to describe the components and interpretation of box plot chart. Those are the functions of the investment analysis.